Hi, my name is Ella Ryan. I'm one of the founders and presidents of Current Events and Conversation. Our club is really about allowing students an area where they can openly discuss current issues with other students that have differing or similar views. We aim to spread awareness about current issues that are impacting our world and our nation to our members. Our mission is to create a friendly environment where we are able to discuss various issues currently affecting the United States and the world. By doing this, we hope we are able to generate discussions and ideas that create change not only for our communities and schools, but also our world. We're the change we want to see in the world, and I think that's a really powerful message and something that our generation needs to focus more on. Additionally, we believe mental health is very important and something everyone should focus on more. So we've implemented mental health awareness days and relaxation days where you can come, chill, color, watch a movie, talk with friends. How it works, in the remind that's a couple slides later, we'll send out a Google form that has discussion topics in a section where members can add a topic they want. This ensures we're discussing new topics along with events our members feel passionate about discussing. Our club is centered around current events. This means addressing months where current issues in our country are more addressed. This means more activities and discussions about mental health in May, Black culture and Black Lives Matter in February, and women's rights in March. This club will be having open discussions and really a lot of social interaction because in quarantine that wasn't something we could have. So if you really like talking and you're passionate about stuff like this, you should really join. And here's a remind. Make sure you join the remind because this will have valuable information about club meetings, Zoom codes, the topic Google Forms that I talked about, and other stuff. We hope to see you at our club meeting. You should really join. It'll be so much fun. Bye!